Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kailea. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay prank natin si Ate Zia ng ignoring prank. Okay? So, kaya quiet tayo kasi nandito ako sa sofa. Nandun siya guys. Ayun siya. Kaya quiet tayo. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell para update kayo sa mga bago kong videos! So huwag niyong kakalimutan na i-video lang ako. So nasa na kaya si Ate Zia? Ay, pangalan ko pala guys ay Kailea. My name is Kailea. Wait guys, aayos lang yung camera kasi nga napakainit dito guys. Hi guys, nakapesto na tayo. Wait lang guys, magpapapansin tayo sa kanya. So nasan na kaya si Ate Zia? Mag-i-start na kasi ako ng vlog. So guys, naisip ko, huwag na lang ignoring prank. Attitude prank na lang guys. Okay? Okay lang ba kayo? Tawagin ko lang guys si Ate Zia. Zia. So mag-i-start na pala ako ng vlog. Tapos na-late ka. Ay, sorry. So, hi guys! This, i-start na nga. Gagawin pa. Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! My name. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell below para update kayo sa bago naming mga videos. So my name is Kailea, and my name is Zia. Welcome. And here we go for another vlog. So, ang content pala natin ngayon guys ay kailangan magawa ang nigawa ng isa. So, ang papagawa ko sa kanya ay ito. Let's move pala. Akyat ako dito. Naas ng sopa. Tapos, ito guys. So guys, yun yung papagawa ko sa kanya. Maganda mami. So sabi ni mami ko maganda daw. Maganda so. Ikaw naman? Tapos ano gagawin ko dito? This, if you know gymnastics, I can. You have to do it. I can. Kailangan mo magawa. Hindi ko nga kaya yun. Sige na, gagawin ko. Takot na lang. I'm happy. I mean, here. Put your leg up and then that. And then down and then jump here. Not there, here. Oh, that was not smooth. Now, ikaw, anong papagawa mo sa akin? Dito ka, umupong ka. Ano nga, ang tagal mag-isip nito? Split ka. Split? I'm just gonna stretch first. Yan. Yeah. Ow. Oh my gosh. I'll just try to split. Okay. Okay, that's good. Ano papagawa mo sa akin? This. Move. Move. Okay. I'll try. Guys, that actually hurt. The split actually hurt. Oh my gosh. He doesn't know gymnastics. Ano papagawa mo naman sa akin? Tumbling ka dito.
Plastic box yun, ito lang.
Tumbling ka.
Plastic na lang.
So, I think she's gonna do a cringy tumbling. But I don't do tumblings.
Umabalian na rin.
It's a tumbling? Oh, okay. Okay. So we have to do it. Yeah. Oops.
Lili, bagong kain ka.
I only do gymnastics.
Gymnastics pa ka. Pabalian ka.
So this is what I want you to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a straight leg hold. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We hold here and then go like this and then this and then do a leg hold.
Daddy ko kaya yan.
Leg hold and then go like this.
Lili, huwag kang magaganyan dyan.
Here.
Daddy ko kaya mga ginagawa mo.
So you don't know gymnastics?
I don't know gymnastics.
So guys, we're gonna tell her that it is a prank. Guys, like I would never make her do that tumbling. Yeah. 2, 3. It's a prank.
Oh my gosh.
All the like, I would never make you do that like that, like you know that you don't know how to do gymnastics. So that's the end of our video, guys. Bye.